Tama by Sybile Art, 50 by 50 cm rounds, version 1 special treatment. Begins with ice crystals that we've used to fill in the 3 round gems on her earring. So simply replace the regular beads that you get for this particular portion of the diamond painting with the ice crystals. Tama by Sybile Art in 50 by 50 cm round special treatment version 2 now adds chili pearls that you will be using to fill in all of the red areas on her dress. So this would be mainly the flower print as well as this large section on the bottom corner. So this is version 2 of Tama special treatment. Tama by Sybile Art 50 by 50 cm rounds special treatment version 3 now adds blood crystals that we have used to fill in her lips. We also have a line or a string on her earring that is with blood crystals and 2 gems on her hair pieces. So I think these are chopsticks. So there's a red gem there. We've placed the blood crystals there as well as one over here. You can also choose to sprinkle the blood crystals if you'd like on the red areas, like on the ears of her mask. If you'd like to do that instead, over here, instead of on the lips. So there's several ways to do it, but it's safest to do it on all of the red areas, but you can choose which specific red areas. Aside from that, for version 3, we've also sprinkled electric diamonds on the yellow part of the mask, just to give it an extra sparkle.